Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore payment element styling in React Stripe step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have your React application set up with Stripe. Make sure you have installed the necessary Stripe packages. Open your terminal and run npm install at stripe/react stripe.js at stripe/stripe.js. Once the packages are installed, navigate to your Stripe configuration file. Import the required components from the Stripe package. Next, set up the Stripe provider in your application's root component. Pass your Stripe public key as a prop to the Stripe provider. Now, create a custom payment form component. Within this component, use the card element from Stripe. Style the card element by using the style prop. Define the CSS styling to restore the default appearance. You can customize colors, fonts, and spacing in your styling object. Implement state management to handle form inputs and submission. Add a function to handle form submission and call the Stripe API. Make sure to handle any errors or successful responses appropriately. Test your payment form in development mode. Visit the Stripe dashboard to monitor the payment activity. Adjust any styles as needed based on user feedback. Ensure all components are functioning smoothly before deploying your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.